Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the left or the right headlight fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes as well, information that you need to know to save you money guys. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the left and the right headlight fuses, relays, come guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. Now there will be up to 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video guys that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do first, we need to open the hood guys, and opening the hood, facing the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side here, you see you have that knob that you turn. You have one like that towards the back. You leave that plastic trim up. Underneath you have a fuse box. Here you're going to have just 2 screws holding the cover for that fuse box with Torx 20. Unscrew them and when you open it you have that fuse box, main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here guys, we need to first check 3 fuses, then we'll talk about relays as well. Let's talk about that. Depending on which headlight option you have, you may have all of them or you may have some. We're talking first about fuse number 108. If you have, okay, that fuse, check it right here guys. Then you need to check fuse number 110 right here. We recommend to check 11 as well, right there. Next, you need to check fuse number 128. Okay, right here. Very important fuse. What about relay guys? You don't have relay for the headlights. You have these fuses that are known as headlight relay fuses, but the relay function practically, most likely it's controlled by the front SAM control module, SAM module. So if you still have problems with the headlights, you check fuses, bulbs, okay, connections, everything like that. Guys, check the fuses and the relays for the front SAM, front SAM module. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you if you don't know where they're located, but that will be the next step that we usually take here if we have problems with the headlights. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.